maraming puyat, maraming challenges, maraming academic I would say milestones na kailangan mong gawin. And of course, nag-evolve ang doctors from just medical to advocacy kasi there are certain things na kunyari nasa klinika ko ngayon, reclusive ka and then you see let's say a certain number of patients pero pag nag-advocate ka, millions ang pwede mo makasalamuha and policy makers, media, a lot of persons. So dapat ngayon hindi ka lang doktor sa hospital but doktor ka sa lipunan kasi mas kailangan natin. So yun ang nakikita kong situation, yun ang evolution ng career ko from a clinician, nag-corporate din, nagkaroon ng DOH position, and then naging lobbyist for Syntax and Universal Healthcare. And then during the COVID pandemic, so ako nag-step out ako from the clinic to become a social physician so that I can treat more patients and create certain policies that may help the country. Yan ang nangyari sa akin.